how to use widgets on iPhone. Adding a widgets on iPhone is actually quite very simple. All you have to do is go ahead and then first of all make sure you can see you will have some of the widgets added. You have an empty space on the home screen where you want to add a widget. Then all you have to do is just simply long press on that empty space there, then just tap the edit and the add widget button right there. Now once you've done that, you can simply select the type of widget that you want. So whether you want from which app you want, you have all the social apps and all the apps that supports widget. Let's say if I want to add an Apple Music widget, I'll select that. Here I can see a couple of options from Apple Music, so I could simply go ahead and select the type of widget I want. Then I can go ahead and then basically also drag this to my home screen right here. So I can just drag this to any part of the home screen. I can even resize it, as you can see, to be able to fit on my home screen. So this way I'll be able to use widgets on iPhone. I hope that this video really helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end, and see you soon in the next video.